Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the front power windows and rear power windows fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can expect to find them. We will talk guys, we'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So, the power windows, fuses and relays for front and rear windows. Come guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us guys. 9 out of 10 owners of that Chevy Equinox will not know where all their fuse boxes are located. There will be some hidden ones. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, a video that can save you a lot of money guys. Check it out. We need to open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side, that's the driver's side. You see right here the brake fluid reservoir, next to it is the main engine fuse box. Here you have a clip, one there as well. You push the clip parts together, leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what do we need to check? We need to start checking first 2 fuses. Then we're going to talk about relays. You have to make sure you stay until the end because we'll share very helpful information about the relays as well. Starting here, the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 4 guys. And fuse number 4, if you come in that row here, we're talking about that fuse right there, 30 amp fuse. You have another fuse that you need to check, and that's fuse number 15 right here. Okay, 4 and 15. What about relays? Those are known as relay fuses, but you don't have specifically dedicated relays for the power windows. But if you still have problems with the power windows, if the fuses are good, you may want to check fuses and relays for the BCM. This is the body control module. We'll have the video on the channel for any of you needing help with that. And if you guys still have that problem, you may need to reset the codes in BCM for the windows to work correctly as well if you have a bad component such as a fuse or a bad window motor. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.